Salutations everyone, welcome back to Suffered and Cypher's channel. Today we have the Primal Attack SIATS MEEKERORUM. It is a massive biter. I believe they changed the name now for gigantic trackers. That means there'll be no sound. See, there's no that sound sign over here. You push this button, it opens up. You turn the tail, it goes left and right. It's a Primal Attack from Jurassic World. And here we are, we have the Sarcosuchus and the Tarbosaurus. So this Tarbosaurus doesn't have a variant yet. Same as this SIATS MEEKERORUM, no variant as well. I brought it out. I know it's been they had this for a while now, but I didn't make a review of it yet. And we will compare two gigantic trackers. This is from Chaos Theory, I believe, the Mapusaurus. Obviously no sound as well. Has a button on the bottom. There you go. There's a button right there under its tail. Has a tail. And the Sinotyrannus. This is from Dino Trackers. If you push this, it moves the tail. Right there. There's a button. It swings. And this one, you push it, it goes right there. It only goes in its right side. It doesn't go on the left. No, even you try to force it, it's hard. It won't go. So here's the DNA scan. Okay. Did I show the DNA scan of this one? Where is it? Oh, right there. There you go. It's on the tail. Alright, so we're gonna unbox the SIATS MEEKERORUM. Let's check it out. Okay, guys. It's like covered with dust down there now. Yes. There's our SIATS. It has a green eyes. Look at it, has sharp teeth underneath, and there's like a gap over there. Seems to the other side. That's how it is, I guess. It sounds like an African dinosaur. Never heard of it, but that's what it sounds like. So plenty of quills. Plenty. There's 4 sets of quills in the back. Really interesting. I wish I had sound. Maybe the next, hopefully Mattel will make a gigantic tracker with sounds in the future. So it won't be disappointing because they're big. They need to have sounds. It has 3 fingers, so obviously it's probably related to a T-Rex. It's a Tyrannosaurid, but on bigger arms as well. So yeah, let's see the year when it was created. Let's see it. There we go. So I don't know if you guys can see that. 2019. Alright, so it's been a while now. Let's move right there. Alright, so yeah, nice color. Orange, gray, blue. They forgot to color or to paint the Duclaw again. There's a DNA scan. So yep, I have no... Same as this Sinotyrannus, I don't have any... I only have 1 each. I wanted to like grab 1 more so they have a... You know, I could make another distinction of them. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe, of course. And of course, thank you so much. Have a good one now. We'll see you again. Thank you. Take care.